Does sleep in pen? Like seriously, I don't even understand all this.
Make it till morning.
They like these babies before they sleep. Oh my God, they need to cry. This boy had been crying. Mom, you can sleep without crying now. Eh? Does sleep in pen? Like seriously, I don't even understand all these babies. And I'm so busy this morning. Like I have a lot of things to do, especially in this kitchen. I need to clean up this kitchen. I need to cook. I need to, like many things I need to do this morning. But this boy will not even allow me. You know what I'm gonna do now? This is the first time I'm going to, be backing him, because if I wait for him to sleep, then time will be going. This is first time. I don't know how he's going to react. But let me see. Let me go and do for wrap and back him at my back. And now, yeah, let's try. It's a long time I did this. So the last time I did it was when Gona was like 1 year, 2 years. Okay. Now wait. So
I'm holding David.
you are holding him, but remove your hand. No. Let me see his face. Now when you put your hand inside.
Dad.
No.
It's okay, David.
Yeah, it's okay.
David, are you good?
Gona is asking him whether he's good. Yeah, I think he's good. So, like this. Look at his leg there.
And look at his mouth.
Yeah. I believe like this he's comfortable.
But you cannot breathe.
So, let me try whether he can be able to sleep. Yeah.
Can she?
Guys, like I'm super excited this morning because one of my husband friend, he just called my husband this morning that he's in the front of our house, that he should open gate, that he brought something for madam. Hey. Guess what this man brought to us this early in the morning? Like, oh God, this omugo is not going to finish soon. You cannot bring omugo something for me. The road is still open. No, this boy is still too young, so our hands are still open to accept your gift, okay? But guys, like this time around, since I give birth to this my son, if you see gift, like even when I go outside, people normally give me like money. I don't know. This one is kind of a special. It's like they're using it to do send off for me. They say Messi Ngwa is okay, Ozuko Ngwa, this is the last one. Like I've been receiving a lot of gifts. Like seriously, God is wonderful. Let me show you guys like what my husband and friend brought this morning. Like wow. So guys, look at what this man brought to us this morning. This is the yam that he brought. We have one yam here, as well as this one, and this one as well. This is okporoko. Look at how long this okporoko, this stockfish is. Wow, this man really go market for us. This is a cod. So the next item he brought with is this plantain, guys. Wow, carton of plantain. God bless him. God bless him. So, guys, look at how sunny outside it is. Look at how sunny outside is. The sun is so strong today, guys. Wow. Yeah. Let me see whether this boy is sleeping, because the way he just keep quiet at my back. Guys, can you just imagine? Within 2 minutes, this boy have already slept. I know that he wanted to sleep, but he couldn't. He want me to just hold him.
What?
Yeah? Oh, thank God.
What is
Let me go and put him in his bed. I'll be right back. guys, I'm done cleaning the kitchen. Everywhere is clean and neat now. I'm getting ready to cook oha soup. Yeah, so let me show you guys like everything that I brought out that I'll be using to cook this oha soup. So this is everything that I'll be using to cook the soup. Here I have stock fish. This is the periwinkle, it's dry one. I just put water so that I will soak it before I use it for the soup. And this is the bonga fish as well as smoked fish. This is goat meat. I put it in the water and then put salt so that those blood can go out before I use it. So this is doha. Doha is not that fresh anymore because this is after 2 days. I did that unboxing. So yeah. So guys, this is the sterilizer that I did unboxing the other day. So this is how I normally use it. So as you can see right now, guys, it sterilizes and as well as dry the flame bottle. So this is like the easy way, you know, to wash your baby's bottles, you know, and dry it. So you don't need to bother yourself of, you know, looking for something to dry it. This machine really makes the work very, very easy for me. So I love it so much. It has been serving me like very well since I bought it. I'm so grateful. Like I love it so much. If you are looking for something like this, I will advise you to go for this KYG. It's very, very portable. It's very, very good product. I've been using it like since, you know, I did the unboxing, so it has been serving like very well. And if I want to warm baby food, I just put a little bit water here and warm it. So like it contains like everything that you need for your baby's bottle, yeah, as well as feeding. So that is it, guys. Let me go ahead right now. I'll go ahead and start cooking the soup. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So guys, our oha soup is ready right now. So hubby is at home today. He did not go to work. He have a day off from working place. And yeah, I'll be doing like a fufu right now so that we'll be using it for the soup. And after that, we have appointment to attend to. And the weather is very nice. We'll be taking Ugonna and David outside today before we go ahead and pick the rest in the school. So yeah. So this is after our appointment and some of the shopping that we did. And here Ugonna is playing. So we wanted him to play a little bit before we go ahead and pick the rest from the school. So thank you so much everybody. If you are watching up to this moment, God bless you. And if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay, enjoy the rest of the vlog and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun